Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the vlog. In this vlog, I'm taking you through a day in my life. First up, we got the gym. It is 4:55 in the morning, so let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm almost done. Time to get this workout. Don't forget to stretch, y'all. Stretching is important.
Leo's on roids and he doesn't do his taxes.
Alright guys, if you're wondering why I have a different set of clothes on, it's because Darwin didn't show up yesterday, so I wasn't able to film any of my shit. I self-filmed some stuff and it looks really bad, so we're running it back today. Let's actually get some cinematics.
All right, so here we are. It's a live take here. We're definitely working on all this work, getting this on live, and we're about to go live, shoot some videos. Fucking stay tuned. About to change the world, baby.
I bet. Nice. Yeah, I want to make it a little bit more dynamic. Alright guys, first appointment done. Basically, we had a video shoot for this company that, our first client basically. We shot some videos for them. Yesterday, damn, this fucking shot looks sick. Yesterday, basically, what I was doing was administrative stuff. Worked on the website, built a really killer lead magnet, I think. Super valuable. Now I'm working on my email campaigns to make them even more valuable. Just trying to give as much value as possible to all the people that opt in so we can book these calls. Yeah, we just finished filming. We're gonna get some grub real quick and come back and do some filming again. What do you think? What you got to say?
First of all, I'm hungry, so I'm excited for this fucking meal. But that shit went pretty good. It was pretty lit. I think they're gonna be excited, and I think they're all seeing what's gonna come to life. So stay tuned for that fucking that little video coming up.
Alright, y'all, we pulled up. Look at those Baliadas. Hijuela. What you think?
Hey, they get this motherfucker full supreme ass baleada. It's a small ass place here, but it's fucking hella good.
This shit is fucking huge, but yeah. Look at this thing. Camera probably doesn't do it justice, but it's pretty fire. They put plátanos in this one. I've never seen that before. Alright, y'all. We've pulled up to the crib. Time to knock out some administrative work and edit some videos and throw up these new creatives.
Montgomery County will be like the focus.
Yeah, perfect. So we have experience with the ad accounts that are 15,000, 30,000, and obviously our bread and butter, which is what we advertise, is the starter, which is Facebook ads. Just 3,000 to 5,000 a month, and then we can get you to scale up and get you that consistent $100,000 in revenue every single month. Now, the second pillar that we focus on is the qualification. I know you were talking about...
We're not going to do $200,000 a month worth of business if we're not, which eventually needs to be like $2 million a month, right? But the first goal is to get to $200,000 a month. We're not going to do that necessarily with jumping out the gate with anybody. But the thing is, even when we get to, if you were sending me $200,000 worth of business tomorrow, the next goal up from there is $500,000 a month worth of business. So yeah, we'll keep adding until one can't pay for itself.
I have to have some killer marketing guys like you. I've got to have a good sales team. I've got to have a good office.
Let's say if we circled back on the 22nd, then you'd be open to investing and starting up.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, awesome. No, that's awesome, man. I'm glad that you're on the same page as we are.
Let's do a week from this Friday.
Okay.
All right, Cam. So it's been a fat minute.
It's been a month.
Okay, so I was made aware that it's been a whole month. Last time, I don't know, we were fucking eating some Baliadas, fucking, you know. I wanted to make it clear that a lot of people misunderstood a lot of things, you know.
Why are you not PR trained? Oh my gosh. Give me the camera. Hey. It's been about a month. A lot of things have changed. We are full-fledged on the agency. We have locked in 4 clients this month. We had like 20 appointments, like 130 or something leads. And so we'll dive into all that stuff like in a future video. But, you know, this is just for like an off the record, like we look at this in like, I don't know, 5-10 years and look back on this and laugh. I want the record to state that Darwin got me fired for things I had nothing to do with. Like, it was so incredibly hilarious. I'm unemployed now because of you. Thanks, man. They think I'm like, I've been doing some random stuff.
Bro, what they think that you doing, bro?
I'm gonna let Darwin tell the story.
Guys, alright, let's be honest, okay? I got him fired.
Tell them what I did.
I got him fired.
Tell them what I did.
This man did nothing wrong. All he did was hang out with me for too long, and people thought he was associated to criminals.
And now guess what? We're going to war together.
But, you know, I feel like it just all happened for a reason. It was, you know, I don't know why people thought what they thought, but he had to be honest with you, he had nothing to do with it. And to be sincere, I feel like what they're coming, or at least what they're saying I did, I think it's overhyped, if that's the correct word. But who gives a fuck, you know? We're living life now, unemployed.
Yeah.
Agency, we can send up clients. I promise you, next month, we're traveling over to Texas because some clients like, bro, I need you guys to come over here and do some work.
Texas, huh?
We got 2 clients that are about to get close to Texas.
Oh my gosh.
So, I'm like, hey, can you come over here and run the company? And we're gonna be right there. And he wouldn't have been able to do this if he was still employed. Makes sense.
Can I tell them some stuff?
Yeah.
Right. Well, at least that's out in the air. You know, you give your all to like someone, and you're still just like a number. That's the key lesson here. You know, I'm like, okay, it's my fault that I hung out with you. At the end of the day, it's my fault. So
Okay,
it is what it is, I guess. But
it's your fault because you hung out with me. Bro, it's not even your fault, man. It's just
whatever. Anyway, yeah.
Do you think it was an excuse though?
Some stuff went down. It might have been an excuse. I don't know. You know, it hurts. But it is what it is. At the end of the day, you just got to keep moving forward. Every day I tell this guy that I'm unemployed and he got me fired. But honestly, it's kind of lit. I'm not gonna lie, guys. My phone's not like blown up with a bunch of incompetence and like random people that want me to work for free. Yeah, I'm literally not even mad. But yeah, that's the life change, guys. I didn't know how to come out and say it, but you know, I just wanted to let the record state. So now I get to pour 16 hours a day into my own business. We'll see what happens in a couple months. Anyway, guys, I mean, like he said, things happen for a reason, I guess. True colors were shown, etc. And I just was lumped into a war with this asshole, and they're accusing my agency of all this stuff, of all things. I'm like, bro, first of all, it was Blueprint. Like, what did I have to do with any? But who cares? At the end of the day, who cares? It really doesn't matter. It sucks how to go down, but important life lessons to learn. You know, this is just the journey, and I keep it raw and real with you guys. It's just kind of new. Like, this only happened like about a month ago, so. Anyway.
There's money. Hey, I'm still owed money.
Today is Darwin's birthday. We're having a little celebratory hoopla. Look at this piece of work. Chilling.
That's how we chill.
Got some work done. Been cranking out some YouTube videos, and now I'm gonna make this vlog, finish it up, do whatever. But yeah, hell yeah.